What's up everybody, it's Andy here from cryptocompera.com bringing you another cryptocurrency video. So in today's video we're going to talk about days 9 and 10 of the $100 to Lambo challenge, and we're now currently on hold. We'll go through that in a moment and some new listings on beaxy. But yeah, long and short of it, for those of you who are new to the channel, we started off doing a $100 challenge it was the 2nd of August when beaxy recently updated, and we're going to be doing this for 90 days. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing normal trading, we're doing a bit of arbitrage trading because the volatility is there between the beaxy USDC, Bitcoin, and then beaxy to BTC pairings. We're getting 1.5 to 2% trades when we go through the arbitrage on that. We've talked about that in previous videos. If you haven't followed this series yet, then there will be videos in the info card to the top right hand corner, where you can click on a playlist and follow our progress from day 1 to date. Okay, so if we'll come back to what's happened with beaxy at the moment. Hopefully it'll get sorted in the next few hours or days. But on our day 7 and 8 video, what's happening is there's not much volume on beaxy at the moment. So where we're trying to do scalping and these 5 to 15 minute trades, which you can get away with on likes of BitMEX and Binance, because the volume and liquidity is not there yet. What's happening is these trades that we're trying to get in and out within half an hour to an hour, it's becoming 10 hours to a day. And to me, I'm getting bored. To be fair, the whole point of us doing this $100 to Lambo is to take some risks, is get to initially where we've doubled our initial buy-in, which we are nearly there, and then start being a bit more conservative. We're going to be adding stop losses in, and we're going to still be doing for the 1 to 3% trades, and we'll go through that in future videos over the how-to series that we're going to be looking at doing as well. Yeah, so what we've done, we've done a few trades over the 8th and 9th. And we ended with 2,358 beaxy, which was from our initial 1,800. And there was a loss on day 1. We managed to cover that back. There are some losses that we managed to cover as well. But yeah, I'm pleased with the progress as of the 7th and 8th video. Okay, and if we go on to here now, let's pick the beaxy to BTC pairing. So this is trading today. This is days 9 and 10. Obviously, we've not been able to do much trading because of what's happened at the moment. So currently, every single pair is froze on beaxy. We'll go to the Twitter and we'll see the news, and then I'll talk you through the trades that we've done. So this is the beaxy Twitter. It's just beaxy exchange. If you're not already following, guys, go and give these guys a follow. This is going to be huge, this exchange. Well worth signing up to if you haven't already. Links in the description below. It does help the channel, but also it helps you guys at home, because you get a platinum level account for the first 2 months, which gives you daily withdrawal limits of 200 Bitcoin, and you also get 20% off your trading fees as well. Not to mention they're running a deposit competition where you get free beaxy, and they're running a trading competition where you get a Tesla Model 3, or you could win a Tesla Model 3, providing the exchange is up and running. Hopefully it will do. So they have been in communication. They're doing a listing of VID is a growing platform. Look into that. That's going to be listed once the exchange is back live. If we just go through to where is it? Okay, so yeah, so they've started to kick it up a bit now as part of the round 2. If you've not seen this news, go and follow the Medium as well. I'll put a link in the description box. But basically, yeah, they're listing new coins now, trying to get some liquidity to the exchange, trying to offer the incentives and get more people trading, which is only going to be a good thing for all of us. So this is why I'm trading beaxy. I'm not too bothered about BTC at the moment. I can trade BTC on BitMEX and leverage trade it. At the moment, I am just trading beaxy for beaxy's sake, to get as many beaxy as I can, and then I want to lock that up into PLS, and then we can trade with some, and we'll put some in, and we'll give away some beaxy further into the competition as well. But yeah, so they've had a few listings today. GoChain listed on the 10th, deposits, and that was open for trading. Then there you go. So that was open on the 12th. But this is what's happened: is there was a hack basically done on quite a lot of the exchanges. So you can see here, there's a quick update. Exchanges were targeted with Ripple. That's why I don't trade Ripple, people. Not only is it a banker's coin, and we all know bankers are wankers. So not only is Ripple a banker's coin, and it kind of goes against what crypto is all about, if I'm honest. But yeah, I don't personally invest in Ripple. I don't hold any Ripple. If there's trading opportunities in Ripple, then I'll trade, but I'll be getting Bitcoin and I'll be gone. But yeah, what happened is they targeted exchanges with Ripple partial payment exploit. beaxy was also targeted amongst them. They say they've identified and applied a fix to move forward. We're rolling back relevant trades on the exchange to the moment it was identified. So basically, not only that, because you do your KYC, they reckon they've got them as well, which is good. So they say here, additionally, we will credit any funds misproportionate during this time. This is why I'll go into our trades in a moment. This process will take some time to complete. Bear with us. During this time, the exchange will be open, but activities will be frozen as we work on reverting to the previous state. So they're basically going to roll back every single trade prior to the hack. So I do think it's going to undo some of the trades that I've done, because just my luck, we got caught up in the shitstorm in the middle of it. But yeah, we'll see what happens, okay? And then again, they go on to say, in addition, KYC has allowed us to identify the participants in this incident and pursue action against them. So they're not taking this lightly. They're going straight for them. That's a good thing about beaxy and the KYC. Some people call KYC, some people don't. At the end of the day, guys, it's happening whether we like it or not. This is good. It's going to eventually become regulated, so you may as well just bend over and take it like the rest of us. You see here, we feel confident we can reclaim misplaced funds as well. So yeah, so that's good. If we just go back off the thread, and then what they've done is, obviously they must have patched the fix now, because they've now said they're going to add in VID. I haven't personally heard of this, to be honest. I'll have a look into it, see if it's worth trading. But that's going to be listed, and let's have a look. And that's the trading competition as well. So once it's back up and running, you'll be able to buy and sell that as well. But if we go on to here, so we ended up with, on the day 7 and 8, we ended up with 2,358. Okay. I done a few trades back in 2, bang, 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 bang. But we got caught in this around about the 12th, which was here. So we got caught up in this. So I'll just talk you through what we done. So what happened is, I could see the bottom here. So basically, when this second drop started happening here, I sold at 3. I think we sold at 3. Let's have a look. No, they were all buys. So we sold some for the USD, because the USD pairing was, they seem to have exploited Bitcoin. That's what they're looking for, Ripple to Bitcoin, Bitcoin to beaxy, whatever. We sold some sells here at 3.5, 4.9 here. So we sold quite a lot here, and then we sold 2,000. That was the latest one that we sold. And I sold 2,000 round about, where is it? Round about here, the bottom, bloody, basically. And I was taking these trades. Whilst this was going on, the arbitrage opportunity was there, because the coin was about nearly a cent out. Those of you dealing pips, it was a couple of 100 pips out between the difference of the beaxy USDC and the beaxy BTC pairing. So I was selling for beaxy to US dollar, buying Bitcoin with US dollar, and then buying beaxy back with the BTC, obviously the arbitrage trading. So we got this up to 2,608 from the 2,358. So we're still up. So I sold at 2,000. If we just go to here, I then bought Bitcoin in here. Okay. And then we come back here, and then we place these orders, which was literally a couple of 100 Satoshi under. Now, if I zoom in, there's my entry points. But if I zoom in, I don't know if you can see that green wick here. That green wick, that was the continuous drop. That green wick bottomed out at 250. So then it was fluctuating really, really bad here. So now I thought, right, I'll see if we can get this cheekily filled. Okay, but this was before they realised the exploit, and then it shot back up to like 396. And now it's stayed trading here. So these trades, you can see, are still there. That would have enabled us. So where we saw the 2000, we would have made, I've not got my math head on here now, but nearly 300 coins. So 118, hang on, 184 plus 116. So that would have added exactly another 300 coins on top. So we would have been sitting pretty down about 2,900. Now, I don't know whether these will be honoured. I don't know if they're going to be reverted back. As you can see, I can't cancel them now. Stuck in limbo, everything's frozen. It is what it is. It's just a waiting game. They're either going to honour it, or they're going to give me the Bitcoin back, or the beaxy back, or whatever. I'm not going to lose any sleep on it. We're still up. We've still got 600 here. I've got other beaxy frozen. This is obviously just for the challenge that we've done. So yeah, we started off on the 2nd of August with 1800 beaxy. At the highest we were 2,600. We still need to wait to see what we're doing here. And then once I've doubled it, I think, once we've got to the 3,600 mark, and we've doubled, I will then look at adding stop losses in. I know, open to criticism, obviously this is a beginner's guide. You should only put in what you can afford to lose. I am being quite aggressive. I am using more, not using risk management. I am using more of my budget than I would normally do. But this is a challenge after all. I don't care if I lose $100. I'm doing this to see how far we can go, and we're doing it quite aggressive to get as many beaxy as we can, while it's still only 4 cents, 5 cents. Because I do think this coin will be like a $5 or $10 coin once the momentum kicks in. So yeah, just a quick update. Sorry we've not been able to do these videos every day. It seems to fall on the weekend. We get stuck in trades that last a day, and then this happens to the exchange. Can't be helped. It's out of our control. It's out of beaxy's control. Obviously, a few naughty people want to spoil it for the rest of us. But hopefully they can get what's coming to them, they can sort it out. You can see that there is big sell resistance here at the 425 Satoshis. There's another sell wall resistance here at 418. Not much buying pressure at the moment. If we zoom out, the buying pressure is down at like 300 Satoshis and then the 250 mark. So the 349 Satoshis. So we'll see what's what, but yeah, I think we need to get this sorted first. I need to add that other listing. Obviously the pairings that they're adding, I think that coin themselves obviously need to do some sort of promotion and get people over to beaxy and run some sort of trading competitions where they give out so much of that coin. That's what Binance done, and it's worked well for them. So anyone from beaxy or the other coins listening, I do think you should speak between yourselves, get that sorted. But yeah, quick and easy video. Once this is back up and running, so we're going to pause it here now, and we're 10 days in on the 12th, because we started on the 2nd. So we're going to pause it, and then once we're allowed back to trade, we'll add another video, which will be day 11. But yeah, quick and easy video. So if you like this video at all, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. Also comment in the comments below. Let us know what you think of our trading so far. I know it's a bit aggressive. Obviously, if you've got any tips and tricks you want to share with other people, by all means put it in the comments. And yeah, let us know where you guys are from. And as usual, if you've not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification button next to it. That will keep you up to date when we launch future videos. But until next time, everybody, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye, guys.